Alright guys, so now we're going to take you through the Nieco disassembly instructions. First thing you want to do is turn the broiler off and allow it to cool completely before you clean it. Remove and clean the following parts as per the ops manual. Make sure you remove the feed end heat shield first. Then you remove the feed end grease tray. Then you remove the grease pan that sits right underneath it. Once you've done that, make sure you remove the warning pan shield. Then remove the lower burner. Make sure you do that very carefully. You don't want to hit the flame sensor. Then you're going to remove the grease box and the grease trough. Then on the discharge end, you want to remove the awning. You want to also remove the patty catch insert. Then you'll remove the patty catch pan. After that, you'll remove the stripper blade. Then you'll remove the grease box. You can use this scraper cleaning tool to clean the belts on the discharge end by pushing it in under each one of the belts and scraping off all the excess grease and food. And then you can also use the other cleaning tool to clean the shafts on the blades. There's an additional cleaning tool that we use to clean the air box on the feed end and the discharge end. Then we'll remove the incendulist up at the top of the Nieco broiler. Make sure we only rinse the incendulist with low pressure warm water. Do not use soap. Please remember, do not use soap. We'll remove the chimney. Then we'll remove the upper heat reflector. Our broiler does not look like that. Refer to the other photo, please. Then you'll loosen the air hose and disconnect it from the Nieco broiler. You'll remove both air boxes. And you want to make sure that we use a brush to remove any debris from the air holes on the air boxes. Make sure we remove any lodged debris from those air holes. Now we're going to go over the reassembly. When you're putting it back together, you want to insert the air boxes back in, connect that air hose, and make sure you're tightening it hand tight. Not too tight, just hand tight. All right. See how he's making sure it's hand tight? Then we're going to go ahead and put the upper heat reflector back on. We're also going to put the incendulist chimney back up. And then we'll put the incendulist back. Next, we'll put the stripper blade back in. We'll put the catch pan. Make sure that's on tight. Then we'll go ahead and place the patty catch insert. and we'll put the awning back on. The awning's pretty tricky, so make sure that you're paying close attention when your trainer is showing you how to put that back on. Then we'll put the lower burner in and make sure that you do not hit the flame sensor that's inside of the broiler. Then we'll insert the grease trough and the grease box. Then we'll put the shield down at the bottom of the feeder end. We'll put that grease pan right above it. Then we'll go ahead and put that grease tray right back under the feeders, and we'll put the heat shield back on the feed end. Make sure we put that grease box back down under the broiler. And that's it, guys. Thank you.